The visiting priest here, Yagneshwara Dikshita. So when we started Yagneshwara Dikshita is our advisor for this Mahayana. When we started planning, so we need to have we thought about having our senior person to advise for us. So again we asked Yagneshwara Dikshita for that. He was in India during that time. We agreed and we called several times to plan all this. And he is working under Gayatri Yagna, Chicago.
The cornerstone, laying the cornerstone of this temple, Bhumi Puja, he was here for that.
And I want to invite our beloved priest Gautam Sharma. He is a very eminent priest. When I was in Nashville, we came to the Nashville. So then he worked with me for 1 year, 1.5 years maybe. So after that, when I moved here, so then I asked him, so we need a priest, do you want to come? He said, no, I will come with you. For
the people who have this booklet, all the mantras that you see the back, everything was put together by Sri Gautam. He put some time aside.
Raghavendra Prasad.
I'm sure he doesn't need any introduction, I think.
Raghavendra Prasad. Raghavendra Prasad is from Indianapolis and he came 2 days ago before our yagam and he just and also our priest Gautam Sharma and Raghavendra Prasad, they are classmates, Sahapatis. Ramesh Bhatt. Ramesh Bhatt is another one more great priest, Ganapati, and he has done Krishna Yajurveda Kramantam and also MA in Sanskrit. He is working at Sringeri Vidya Bharati Foundation. And the Srikanta Shastri. Srikanta Shastri is one more very big Vidwan in Sanskrit with Mimamsa Vidwan. Chidambara Bhatt. Chidambara Bhatt is from California and also he was a Veda teacher when he was in still he is teaching here too. Yeah, he is also Yajurveda Kramantam Kramapati. Asarama Dikshita. He is also one more big Vidwan and he is nephew of our Yagneshwara Dikshita. And I met him first time in Memphis He was in Canada during that time. So when I saw all these performances, then when we were planning for this, so we think of thought about inviting him. Sandeep Shastri. Sandeep Shastri is a kind of all-rounder. So he basically is from north, from Maharashtra, and he learned Shukla Yajurveda as well as Krishna Yajurveda, and also he has a touch in with all the other things. And he is from Indianapolis. He is a Shukla Yajurveda Gunapati. Sriram Bhatta Sadashiva Sharma. He is another visiting priest from Detroit Sai Baba Temple. Raghuchandra Bhatt. Raghuchandra Bhatt is a Rigvedam priest. So he studied Rigvedam, and I know him for a long time, more than 12 years. So he is in Milwaukee, he is our neighbor. And also he is Konkini. If anybody knows Konkini. Then I can call all these 9 are Navaratnas for this Mahayana. And now our another more important priest, Vignesh Joshi. Very good, very cooperative, very nice. Ravikant ji. Ravikant ji, yesterday was first wedding anniversary. Yesterday, he is going to be a dad in a couple of months. And our one more other priest, Govardhan. Yajurveda Samhit Moolam, and he is also one of our priest, very cooperative and very adjustable, and he is doing very good job. All our priests. And also we need to Rama Bhattar. He is actually my father-in-law, and he is visiting from India. And he is very busy in Bangalore with the temples, activities and everything. He said I cannot sit at home. Every day take me to temple. I will just stay there. So every day he comes to the temple.
Just a note to the Ritviks, the Diksha Veshti that we are wearing, it wouldn't have made it here without his help.
Please come and have one Panchayat for Ashirvad.